first thing that hits me is the silence, the peace, the sound of my own breathing. There is something different here, something unique. I know where I am, but I could be anywhere else in the world right now.
Sometimes it's the place that gives birth to its people and makes them what they are. Other times, it's the people who breathe life into a place. Bro, is this your bike?
Yeah,
When did you buy it?
around 2 years back.
Mind if I sit?
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
What is it about this kind of architecture? Reminds me of the times gone by. This is another era, a world beyond space and time, an oasis of peace in the midst of this crazy city. Back there, it's hard for me to hear my thoughts. But here, everything is just perfect. It's just as it should be, where it should be.
What about your parents and your grandparents?
They've been here since about 100 years. I stay at the end over there at that house, and that house is about 100 years. During those days, it was mainly the Anglo-Indian and East Indian population over here. So most of the people were from Gorai and Goa, so they moved over here and they developed these houses. And so that's how most of this architecture you see, it looks like Goa, it's a mini Goa, this place. This place is like entirely quaint and separate from the entire city. I mean, everything's moving so fast around, you see tall skyscrapers, but this place is like entirely different from that.
You were interested in finding more about this place, right? So what I can do is take you to the people who were born here.
Great.
You know, that would be that probably you get a better insight because they then can give you how this place has developed
Yes,
over the years.
that would be great.
Hopefully they're not eating. But you were born here.
I was born here.
You were born in
Kotachiwadi.
Formerly this place was very safe. Today you have literally it's like a Grand Prix.
But Christmas time is a lovely time to be here because all of them coming down. And then everything is lit up and without decorated.
It's like a festival environment.
Yes.
This place is like right in the middle
Yeah.
of Mumbai, and that street is like all noisy and
Yeah.
stuff.
That's one thing. Very quiet here. We don't get the noise of the Holi or even Ganpati.
Art and architecture.
and
I'll tell you honestly, this has been built as a pseudo Portuguese. What was the best part is that everything till today is
It's the same. It's not changed. Very
nothing. They
similar.
haven't changed those doors.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you must have a certain amount of feelings associated with this place.
Yes. Very strong feelings. I wouldn't want to shift from here. Though everybody, my daughters are all out and they're telling me to come there, but it's so safe. And after my husband passed away, more than a year, I was alone in this house. But I felt very safe. There was nothing to worry about. And we've got neighbors who would come at just a call and they were here for anything.
ये लास्ट 75 ईयर्स से ये शॉप है. हमारे फादर चलाते थे ये बिज़नेस. सिंस चाइल्डहुड से ये शॉप मुझे बहुत पसंद है, ये बिज़नेस मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो स्टडीज़ से ज़्यादा मुझे ये बिज़नेस सीखने का बहुत इच्छा था, सीख लिया. पहले एक ज़माना था जब भी कैथलिक का पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा हुआ करता था, तो अभी तो मिक्स पॉपुलेशन है, गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, महाराष्ट्रन्स, बड़े कैथलिक कम्युनिटी कम हो गए. यहाँ के एक बिल्डिंग्स कम से कम 150-200 साल पुराना बिल्डिंग्स है. और अभी क्या हुआ है कि काफ़ी लोग ये प्रॉपर्टी मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, टैक्सेस की वजह से, ज़्यादा टैक्सेस होने की वजह से मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे, इसलिए अभी बिल्डर टेक ओवर कर रहा है और सब पुराने इमारतें अभी वाइप आउट हो रहा है. अभी सब टावर्स आ जाएंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता कि 5-7 साल भी टिकेगा. ये देखिए ना कितना ग्रीनरी है हमारे कंपाउंड में, ये सब हम लोग ही मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. तो ये इससे मालूम पड़ता है हम लोगों को कितना अटैचमेंट है.
सो रैन, आप बता सकते हैं यहाँ पे और किससे बात कर सकते हैं हम इस जगह के बारे में जानने?
आप सबसे सीनियर मोस्ट सिटीजन है मिस्टर दांडेकर है, सबसे ओल्डेस्ट पर्सन इन खोताची वाड़ी. ही इज़ एन एक्स पायलट. सेकेंड पर्सन इज़ जेम्स फरेरा, जो फैशन डिज़ाइनर है. और तीसरा एक बिली है जो गिटार सिखाते हैं, विल्फ्रेड.
Jesse James and Frank James, Billy Kid, all the rest. Supposed to be some bad cats out there in the West. But when they dug me and my gangster ways, they hung up their guns and made it to the grave. 'Cause I'm a gangster of love. Say I'm a gangster of love.
Thank you for having us.
Come, please have a seat, please. All life bolega to like I'm born here, so I'm 56 now, so I've been here 56 years. So you want to know about this place basically, Khotachi Wadi. Okay, let's start with like Khotachi Wadi got its name from one Maharashtrian man who owned this land, Patare Prabhu. If I can remember one of the old ladies who expired some years ago, Mari Miskita, she knew this place very well, but she did tell me that this land was reclaimed. So yahan tak there was the sea was up till here, and so this is a reclaimed land.
Then this club.
Yeah, we also have the club, Girgaon Catholic Club. Unfortunately, we sold the club because lots of the people, the members moved out from the lane and moved out and also went to Australia. So we have very few Catholics that use the club now. So we had to sell the club. We have table tennis and cards, and occasionally we have our birthday celebrations or Christmas celebrations.
I can almost feel the fragility as I scrape the walls with my hand. I can feel the fading calm.
You live long enough in a place, and that place starts living in you. Whichever way the coin falls, this place is going to change, and these people too will have to change.
I think a guy and a girl should meet here for the first time, with or without any purpose.
The monster of urbanization has already eaten parts of it. It's not a question of if, but when it happens.